Cabin 2018 with the boys, baby. How you doing? What are we about to do today, buddy? Let's get it. And Sarah is giving this a fucking rim job. I love that shit. Oh, you fucking asshole. You're serious? Got it. So I asked you guys on Instagram live poll, or whatever that is, if you guys want me to vlog still during this process of our vacation, which is 1 week at the cabin. Y'all said yes, so we're gonna do a little bit of that. We also have a backlog for this video today, which you guys can see in the title. That's what you're about to watch. Anyway, boys, if this is where we're staying for next week, I thought we'd give you guys a little bit of a tour so you understand what's going on. We got 2 couches.
I'll be fucking on them, by the way.
You're gonna be fucking on the couches. Okay. We got the nice little living area right here.
I'll probably be fucking on this countertop.
Jesus Christ. Fucking fridge full of beers and shit.
I might get my dick sucked like right here.
Okay, Adam, this is a family cottage. We got another bedroom.
Let me get laid in here.
Jesus Christ, Adam. You literally just started inviting yourself. We got a bathroom right here.
I already took shits in here.
We got another room with bunk beds.
Boom, 1, 2, 3. Threesome, baby. Right in this room.
Anyway, there's a little quick tour of what's going on here. We're actually gonna switch it back to NameBran in the past. Let's switch her now. NameBran from the cottage. What's up, buddy? So I'm here with Cam and Adam right now.
Howdy.
So say hi.
Hey, guys.
So what we're doing right now is we're actually jumping back into the past and backlogging some videos, so we got a little bit of content at the cottage. So where I'm at right now is actually my mom's garage. I treat it as a storage locker. And Adam and I were kind of talking the other day because I wanted help bringing some of this stuff, which is like a bunch of sneakers and stuff like that, into my other house. But I thought we should definitely just record some of the stuff that are in these boxes. I haven't seen any of these in like 5 years. And honestly, one thing I do want to look at, my dad used to have a pretty cool sneaker collection. Most of these shoes I actually gave to him before he passed away, and he always wore them. It was shoes that I grew out of, but I know that some of them are in here, and I thought that might be up some of your guys' alley. Also, we got a bunch of other shit like dilds and stuff like that.
Some dope shit.
Some fucking sick shit, man. So without further ado, Adam, hold the camera and let me show off some of this stuff that I haven't seen in 5 years. We're kind of gone for content right now, but hopefully we can find some gems. Oh, get the fuck out of my way, Adam. Do you know what?
Your mom said to watch everything and like be very careful.
Well, my mom's not here. So honestly, once again, I am trying to look for sneakers because I want to make this cool sneaker room in another room at my house.
Oh, I see something signed here. Little race car track.
That's my uncle. He's actually a race car driver.
I don't believe that. I know your uncle.
What the fuck are you?
I know your uncle. He's not a race car driver.
The one in New York.
Oh, right. The New York uncle.
Adam.
I've never seen him in real life.
Yeah, but people aren't going to believe you now that you're saying this. This actually is my uncle, Douglas Niffin. You can search him up. He was in Formula racing. He used to race with Frankie Muniz from Malcolm in the Middle.
Oh my god.
Don't laugh. I'm not here to be fucking like,
I'm just laughing at Malcolm in the Middle. Frankie Muniz. Oh.
Yeah, well, he wasn't a good race. Oh, check that out. It's from our first Yeezy leading video ever. Honestly though, man, I just kind of want to go through this stuff. I know y'all are into like these treasure hunting videos that people do. Well, here's some treasure, and this is what I used to work with. Look at this. You want that?
That's really cool. Yeah, I'll take that.
That's super gay that you like that. You can have that for life. Got a binder. Oh, can't show that. That's a list of girls I fucked.
This is just a lot of douchey stuff. It used to be.
No, it's not douchey.
Kind of a.
Right here, Calvin Klein.
Kind of a cocky little boy, yeah.
No, I wasn't. Look at that, hockey magazines. That's not cocky at all. Anyway, there's really no sneakers in here. Oh, shit. This is something I wanted for the cabin. We got
baby.
Yeah, you remember these? The NameBrans. Those are the first cousins we ever had. Let's get into the other shit that have more sneakers. Have you not done this before, Adam? I'm sorry to be a dick.
I've never done a garage treasure hunt before. I'm sorry.
Paintballs.
Cool.
Stick those up your ass.
Oh, that's from the Supreme paintball sweater. That was pretty cool.
Props that we've had. I'm kind of stoked to be in here.
This is a little bit of reminiscing.
Yeah, you guys let me know if you dig this. We were gonna go through this stuff to begin with and like not film it, but I thought this is pretty funny. This is actually, this whole box right here as I look is all about hockey cards. I used to be a fucking collector. I have over 30,000. Check out all the boxes. We got jackets. Another jacket. Remember this one? I got my first blowjob in this shirt. Guaranteed. Like this.
Oh, yep. Yeah, I remember that.
I always remember outfits that I wore at certain times. This was super high. Plan B. Back in the skater days.
Holy shit.
Oh, fuck. I have no idea how heavy that is, Adam. I actually would pay you to lift that.
Not that heavy.
Alright, we found how's the lighting right here?
Well, you fine. The rest of it's just pretty shadowy and such. Well, do we have any other lighting mechanisms?
No, but I just thought you'd tell me to like bring it out like I brought the other one out.
Well, you should have done that in the first place.
You suck a lot of dick, you know that?
This is very, yeah, you're kind of like in a dark little corner here.
We'll move on my way. I'll
bring out to the stage. You've been digging back here for like 10 minutes. What are you looking for?
Sneakers, and I found them. Spoke too soon. Alright, this is actually really cool. This is some of the stuff that I wanted to come get. I'll just bring like these right here. My dad used to wear all the time. I gave those to him. Really dope, man. I gave a lot of his sneakers away, which I kind of regret, but I also couldn't wear them.
Why did you give them away?
Can you let me speak?
Is your dad dead or something?
You asshole.
I'm joshing you. I know he's deceased. I'm sorry about that.
Jesus Christ. Yes, he passed away, but I couldn't wear it. This is another one. I used to wear this all the time. This is just some stuff that I really want to bring back. This one right here.
That's a dope looking
The
NMD.
white, no, it's not an Nano, it's an Ultra Beast.
It's an Ultra Beast, I mean.
These used to wear all the time. That's an easy colorway. This is so cool, man. I haven't seen this since forever. Oh my god, if you guys watched the metallic video where I customized metallics and I poured metal on them, this was a practice run. So I had the pink Pumas right here. Pink Puma.
Pinka Puma?
It's like pink pussy. Yeah, that was a practice run. That's nostalgic right there. Oh, these are kicks. These I gave to my dad. He was never able to wear them. I always remember them because I kind of want to wear them if they fit. Maybe he did wear them. We got the
I don't know what they are either, but
the
really Triforce. That's what I can't see
they're
that.
Huff shoes.
Huff.
That's super sick too, man. We can go through all these boxes. I don't know how much time we have. How long on this clip right now?
It's been about 8 minutes.
Is it really? Okay, well we'll kind of speed it up, but it's just like so nostalgic. Do people care about this stuff?
I don't. If you've been watching, like you know what videos we're talking about, I think it would be pretty cool.
I was stoked to do this video. I hope you guys understand that. We also, oh man, these ones right here. I gave to my dad a long time ago. I don't know where the laces went, but he used to do a lot of walking. So
I'm also noticing none of these are in pairs. It's just single shoes.
Is that funny?
Yeah, I mean, where's the other ones?
Well, they're in there. I'm just taking it one at a time.
Oh.
I don't need to see both shoes. You know how much time that would take? Bruh. Oh my god.
What is it?
Oh, I forgot about these.
What is it?
Okay, first off, these are the very first Jordans I had ever bought in my life. I gave them to my dad because they didn't fit anymore. He wore the shit out of these. But these ones right here as well. You know what those are?
Are those the breads?
This is the shit. I totally forgot I had these. These are the bread ones. I think they're from like a pack with like green ones. These are the bread ones. Holy shit, we got a thumbnail right there. My dad never owned these.
The other one's baked into bread.
That might be a fact, actually.
Yeah, it is.
That might be why I didn't find the other one. These ones are so nostalgic. We're gonna bring these back, actually. Those. My dad loved those, and that's my first pair of Jordans ever. The 18. Fucking love those to death. And we got the other one.
Nice.
Oh man, that's awesome. Just to prove we actually do have pairs at them.
Okay.
You know,
all right. I believe you now.
Kenny versus Benny. If y'all watch the show.
There we go.
Absolutely unbelievable show. I went to the live show and I got these autographed. They didn't actually autograph them personally. I went up to a stand and paid $25 for them. Still dope though. Anyway, man, I'm so happy we found those breads. I'm gonna take those back and definitely these. I thought I had more sneakers in here. I guess I threw a lot of his out, but that's really, really dope. We have some nostalgia in here, and we're gonna send it back to old NameBran right now, or the new one.
Probably later NameBran, cabin NameBran, cabin Brennan.
We've both had sex at this point in time, and we've also
with each other. Yeah, definitely. Obviously. We'll be very fucked up when we come back to this, to that. I don't know anymore. The time frame is fucking with me.